Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a sci-fi table. First of all, we have to make a basic shape of the table with a rotated rectangle. Start from here. We can set the height around 500 millimeter, and then we can pull it and drag it to the right side around 1500 millimeter. Okay, so then we have to push it up around 750 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make the sloping line. We can use any size of any angle of the sloping of every single sloping anyway. We can start from here, from this bottom corner right side. So then we can place on this position. It's depend on you as proportional as possible. So and then we can place on this position anyway. Okay, and after that we can cut the trapezoid arrangement of the basic shape of this table. So then we can click it and then we can push it to the back around until the limit. Then we can push it back until the limit. Okay, and after that we can also select these three line over there. We can select right, left, right, and the top line over there. Then we have to offset it inside around 80 millimeter. Okay, just okay, and then we can erase it. We can erase it. So and then we have to push it to the back. Okay, we have to push it to the back, and also we can make the small detail of it. We can just select this line anyway. We can select this line and then we can offset it inside just a little bit more to make it more detailed and look more impressive than the ordinary surface of this front face of this table. Okay, we have to offset it inside around 10 millimeter. So and then we have to offset it just a little bit forward around 15 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can also offset it the back side. Also we can offset it around 15 millimeter. Okay, then we have to offset it to the forward again. So you can look at this, and then we can select this line anyway. We can select this line, and then we can move and duplicate it to the midpoint of this position. Then we can duplicate it again, just a little bit more, and duplicate it again until this position. And then we can just delete some unnecessary line as we don't want anyway. Okay, and then we can just click it and make group. So then we can adjust with maybe we can use gray material to look it more sci-fi. Then we can use dark material on this midpoint of it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you of this basic tutorial video, and just wait for my tutorial video in this channel anyway. Thank you.